Hi, good morning for all my friends. Today I'm going to make one small tutorial about Pinterest and Amazon and how you can put your affiliate link in your Pinterest account. But for make that you have to tell Amazon in which website you're going to place your affiliated link, because Amazon change every time the policy for the affiliation program, and I'm going to show you what is the right way to make that. For example, you come into the link that you have in your Amazon account, and you place account setting, and then send you to that place. And here there's edit your website and mobile app list. You click here, and in that place is where you're going to place your Pinterest link. For example, this is my Pinterest profile. And you click add, and that's it. This is the place that from you are going to drive traffic to Amazon. And anytime that you make one post, one pin, that you put the affiliation link, Amazon going to know from where you are driving the traffic to Amazon. That's it. In that place you can add all the website that you're going to use to drive traffic to Amazon. And this is the right way. You see, website and mobile apps updated. Now if you are going to make create any pin in my Pinterest account from Amazon. See, I come into my Amazon account, for example, I'm going to find choose. Let me try to find one bestseller from here. My some pins. For example, that water shoes, very popular, and the people buy a lot of that to go to the beach. I'm going to take the text link, copy. Let me take one of that picture. That's it. Now it's on Pinterest. I'm going to create one new board. For example, Amazon offer. That's it. We're going to the link to place to the pin to place the link. My internet is slow today. Then when you have the pins that you made, you go into that icon, pencil icon, and you have to change this long link that we have here. And you have to place the text link that you take from your Amazon account. You place save, and that's it. And you click in the pin. When somebody click in the pin, it make the redirection to the Amazon account. We are going to make one more pin. Take the text link. You want to take your affiliated link. I want to use that picture. You save. You go to the pin to change your affiliated link. You click the pencil icon. You have to erase the link that Amazon placed automatically and place your link. And that's it. This is the way that you can use your Amazon affiliated link on Pinterest without any problem with Amazon and the privacy policy that Amazon had. For example, one of that pin that I made a few minutes ago, I went to schedule in my Tailwind account, and you have to click in that Tailwind icon. When this going to that page, you place the name of the board that you want to appear, and you have to schedule the time. For example, today 13, I'm going to schedule for the 21st at 8:30 p.m. and that's it. Click the schedule now. See, your pin has been saved. It's ready now on my schedule. When I click on my scheduled post, we are going to check if this appear in the date that we place. You see, November 23rd at 8:30 p.m. This is ready to be posted this day automatically. This is one of the possibility that Tailwind software gives to you to increase your traffic, your pins, your repin in your Pinterest account and in your affiliated offer that you are making. And that's it for today. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.